That's right. That's actually even 7.5 in some of these essays. And I was surprised myself that, wow, can I achieve that much?
Mhm.
I only practiced, in fact, I only practiced from Cambridge books.
Okay.
And I would tell you that really helps.
Okay.
Practicing from other than Cambridge won't fetch you marks because the format is different.
Mhm.
The way they actually gave the topics is totally different
Mhm.
versus what it comes in the exam. You'll be
Yes.
confused yourself.
Yes,
So
exactly.
rather than do practicing millions of books, just stick to one phase and keep working on that.
Yeah.
Ganesh always used to tell me, even though your listening is good, but keep practicing, keep listening to different types of podcasts, different types of, let's say, who was a native English speakers,
Mhm.
some well-known writers, or keep doing that. Thank
Uh,
you very much. Thank you very much. It's all because of you. All credit goes to you. Very
okay.
frankly speaking.
Hey guys, this is Ganesh, the founder of Southwards IELTS Private Limited, and today we have one more success story, that is Mr. Rushil. And he got his dream scores, that is 8777. So Rushil, congratulations first of all on getting your dream scores.
Thank
Uh,
you very much. Thank you very much. It's all because of you. All credit goes to you. Very
okay.
frankly speaking.
Okay, so can you introduce yourself?
My name is Rushil Bayani.
Okay.
I am from Mumbai,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and currently I work as an equity trader.
Okay.
Deal with all types of retail stock exchanges as well as cryptocurrencies.
Okay. All right. And I believe right now you live in Canada, right?
Not at the moment. I live in Mumbai at the moment. I'm
Okay.
still planning to go to Canada. It's just there's a lot of backlogs going on.
So, Rushil, your scores are 8 in listening, 7 in reading, 7 in writing, and 7 in speaking.
That is absolutely correct.
Perfect, because that's what people need for Canada PR, right?
Yes.
So, I know you must be feeling very proud about it and you must be feeling very great. I just want to know about your journey. Okay.
Oh,
So, if I have to ask you about the writing module, because writing module is the module where people have problems. Okay.
mhm.
People get bans in every other module except the writing one.
Right. Right.
So, what did you do in order to get a band 7 in writing?
First of all, yes, it's true that getting a seven in writing is especially it's a challenge itself. For getting a seven band, it's either you have to totally practice a lot,
Mhm.
or either you need to be fully knowledgeable about your basic grammar skills, your vocabulary, your punctuation marks.
Mm.
So it's either one of them.
Yes.
Before that, otherwise, if you just go blindly thinking that it's going to work out, I'm sorry to be the bearer of the bad news, but it's not going to work.
Yes.
So for me, I have practiced a couple of times since there were different variations in the essays.
Mhm.
Each and at least I used to practice at least three essays, three
Mhm.
writing modules a day.
Mhm.
Some days four as well,
Mhm.
and I like made sure that I used to keep checking on my mistakes where I usually end up messing up,
Mhm.
but later on I kept on improving. Some of your strategies, some actually not in some, most of your strategies did work for me.
Okay.
Well, uh, well, it was big. It was difficult to get adapt to a new strategies. What I used to follow
Uh-huh.
then versus what I follow now
Okay.
has a different scene altogether.
Okay. So, if I have to be much more specific, how many essays did you write?
I think I'm losing the count, but let's say an average of around 30 to 40 essays.
Okay. All
At
right.
least I wrote it. And if you're asking only about essays at 30 to 40 letters, I wrote around 25 to between 25 to 30s.
Okay. All right. Okay. And you know that we give one-on-one feedback on writing. Okay. Where we highlight your mistakes, we rectify your mistakes, we give you the bans and how to improve on your weaknesses.
That's
So,
right.
what help you could get from that feedback?
Well, actually, quite a lot.
Mhm.
I always used to think that I might be struggling with the grammar issues, but that was not the case. In fact, I had issues with after reviewing
Mhm.
the like feedbacks what you used to give me.
Mhm.
I actually looked at myself that I was facing issues with vocabulary as well as punctuations.
Mhm.
Uh, if I and most important, article wise, a and
Yeah.
the that was actually very bad. It just did not improve drastically. I had to go through a lot for that, and practice another like different extra books for that.
Mhm.
But these things had really worked out well in the end, and later on my scores kept on going up when I started giving another essays for feedback, and I can see the change later on.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
yes, that was one of those challenges I had.
Okay. All right. So even I knew that you had problems only in writing. You never had any problems in listening, reading, and speaking, but writing was a module that you really struggled in.
That's
And
right.
when I started checking your essays initially, yes, there were some structure problems. And in some of the feedback, I could see that your ideas were wrong. Okay.
Hmm.
And of course, as you said, some grammar mistakes were too, like a and the.
That's
But
right.
eventually you worked on those things and you improved your vocab and grammar quickly, to be very honest, except that a and the part. But yes, it took a lot of time for you to improve your ideas part and improve your structure part. But once you did, I could see the difference in your writing. And
Yes.
eventually, I gave you 7, I believe, in some of the feedbacks, right?
That's right. That's actually even 7.5 in some of these essays. And I
Okay.
was surprised myself that, wow, can I achieve that much?
You did, right? If not 7.5, at least 7 you achieved. And 7 in writing is like a dream for many. So you should be proud
It's
of
a
that.
bonus. It
And
was a bonus.
yeah. Okay. So now, did you practice any topic from other than Cambridge books?
No, I actually did not.
Mhm.
I only practiced, in fact, I only practiced from Cambridge books.
Okay.
And I would tell you that really helps.
Okay.
Practicing from other than Cambridge won't fetch you marks because the format is different.
Mhm.
The way they actually gave the topics is totally different
Mhm.
versus what it comes in the exam. You'll
Yes.
be confused yourself.
Yes,
So
exactly.
rather than do practicing millions of books, just stick to one phase and keep working on that.
Yeah.
That will really actually help you improve your writing in a
Mhm.
better way.
Yep. Follow one study material, but believe in that material.
Yes, yes.
Yep. And I always say Cambridge books are the best, genuine questions, and it will definitely help you because many of the questions that even I see on some of the websites, they all are fake. They are
Yeah,
much
and
more
it's totally
complicated.
irrelevant. It's totally
Yes, it's totally
unrelated. And
irrelevant.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So one piece of advice that if you have to give to the test takers out there, what it would be, especially for writing.
Guys, if you are looking for 8,777 or more than that, I wish that can happen to many students.
Mhm.
Uh, just keep practicing. And
Mhm.
when I say just keep practicing, not only just going by the books, but also doing some extracurricular reading,
Mhm.
extracurricular listening. Like Ganesha always used to tell me, even though your listening is good, but keep practicing, keep listening to different types of podcasts, different types of let's say who was a native English speakers,
Mhm.
some well-known writers, or
Mhm.
keep doing that.
Yeah.
That way, it will you will refine your skills like in the end of the day.
Yes.
And same goes for reading. Keep reading newspapers, and find different types of words, whatever word you feel it's you don't know that meaning. Just Google it or find it in the dictionary and start practicing using a revise. I'm not saying to mug up, but try practicing, keep remembering what it actually means, and go with the synonyms and antonyms along with that. So you'll know that you'll differentiate between what it means and where it can be used. So other than just practicing on the books, keep doing some other activities that will really help you, like not only in writing but all other modules as well.
Okay, all right. And also, yeah, keep on speaking in English. All right?
Absolutely. That goes without saying. That goes without saying.
Yeah. Okay, so Rushil, congratulations.
Thank
one
you.
more
Thank
time,
you.
and I wish you all the best for your PR.
Thank you. Thank you so
And thank
much.
you for giving out your precious time and sharing your experience that
Oh
will help
no.
many test takers out there.
It's all credit goes to you. If you didn't give us the good strategies, if you didn't give us the right path, maybe I would have still scored less than 7, and maybe I wouldn't get the marks which I needed. So thank you. Thanks
Thank you
so
very
much.
much, and you're welcome. So, guys, that was Mr. Rushil, and he shared his experience. And please follow whatever he did if you can, and you will definitely improve your writing, and you will definitely get a band 7. And guys, if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please do that. If you did not subscribe to my other social platforms,
Yes,
okay,
please
did
do.
not follow us, please do that. And you'll be getting a lot more information about IELTS, and I'll be glad. All right.
Yes,
So
please. Yes,
guys,
please do.
take care. Bye-bye.